Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House. Today we are doing a really quick prawn curry, like a Japanese curry thing in a wok with lovely noodles. So it's super simple to make. So we have our wok pan on. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in there because I want to get that smoking hot. We have a shallot here, so we'll just cut that down. Just prep all your veg.
If you don't have shallots, can you use onions instead?
Onion is fine, yeah. So your carrots, just slice those down like that. Like so. We've got a courgette here. So, all right, zucchini for you guys in North America. Okay. You hear that lovely heat, that sizzle? That's what you're looking for. We've got sweet corn here as well. In that goes. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. In there. These are wild Atlantic prawns. So you just need a shrimp or a prawn. So if you're buying frozen prawns, let them thaw it naturally in the fridge overnight, and then you can use them. And I would use raw ones, I wouldn't use cooked ones because you want the flavour of the prawns coming out into the sauce. In there you go. And then you've got some curry sauce. And then you have your noodles.
Udon noodles.
Udon noodles, there you go.
They are already cooked, this one.
Already cooked.
And can you use any other kind or?
Well, I just love these particular noodles because they're nice and thick and they really take on the sauce. But whatever noodles you have is fine, but these ones are the better ones to use for this particular dish.
And
now, if you don't have prawns, you can do the exact same curry with like chicken or beef or pork or even turkey would be quite nice.
And can you use leftover or do you have to use fresh every time?
I would use fresh every time for this because it's so quick and easy. So.
And how do you know the prawns are cooked, or how long do you think it should take?
It should take probably no more than like 3 to 4 minutes to cook. So I'm just waiting for the heat to go through those noodles and they'll start coming apart. I'm pouring the rest of that in there. It's like super simple. It's really, really quick and easy to do. And it's perfect like if you're busy during the day and you just want to come home and put a nice fresh dinner on the table. This is the one for you.
It'd be a nice fake away on Fridays.
Yeah, it would actually. You can see those noodles are starting to break up there now. Now what you can do is you can actually put those noodles in a colander and pour hot water over them and they'll break up for you so they're all loose before going into the sauce. Just like boil up a kettle and put them in. You can see they're
And
It's a thing of beauty, this dish.
the carrot, they'll be still a bit crunchy, is it? Or
Yeah, you want them crunchy though, so. Just to like cut the carrots as thin as you possibly can. Okay, we're gonna finish that off with a little bit of fresh coriander in there. Oh, yum. A lovely prawn, vegetable, noodle curry. How can you go wrong with that?